So students, today I will explain you how to write the Cannizzaro reaction and what are the products here and how we can write them without mistake. So Cannizzaro reaction we study in case of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehyde and ketone chapter. And this reaction takes place in case of aldehydes. So what are the requirements here, students? Number one, aldehydes without alpha hydrogen atom. It is the first requirement. Second is this reaction takes place in presence of concentrated alkali like concentrated NaOH we can take. Third is in this reaction disproportionation takes place. Here disproportionation occur. So aldehyde without alpha hydrogen, students, we can have example of formaldehyde, we can take example of benzaldehyde, and sometimes they will give you different compound, like they will say write this reaction between 2,2-dimethyl butanol, like this they may also give. What is this compound, students? 2,2-dimethyl butanol. We have 2 methyl group here and this CHO group. So carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4. At carbon number 2 we have 2 methyl group. This carbon attached with functional group. This is alpha carbon. There is no alpha hydrogen. It means it will also show Cannizzaro reaction. And similarly in formaldehyde we don't have alpha carbon. Here we have alpha carbon, students, but no alpha hydrogen. We can understand like this. CHO. Now this carbon we have, this CHO functional group, this carbon we have, but this carbon valency is 1, 2, 3, 4. It means there is no alpha hydrogen here. Alpha carbon is there, but there is no alpha hydrogen. Similarly here we have alpha carbon but no alpha hydrogen. Here we don't have alpha hydrogen or alpha carbon. So in this reaction, students, disproportionation takes place. What we mean by disproportionation, students? In class 11th we study in redox reaction chapter. Disproportionation means simultaneous oxidation and reduction. Now you have to understand what is the meaning of this simultaneous oxidation and reduction. In this case we take 2 aldehyde. Suppose if we take, in general I will write, I am taking 2 molecules of this aldehyde, then there will be oxidation of one molecule and reduction of another molecule. This we have aldehyde. Aldehyde, when it undergoes oxidation, we are getting carboxylic acid. This aldehyde, when it undergoes reduction, students, then we are getting primary alcohol. And since we have taken concentrated NaOH here, so this acid will immediately convert into sodium salt. It means we can write like this, RCOO-Na. Now we will take some example here, students. If this R is formaldehyde, R is H, then it becomes formaldehyde. Then you will get formic acid, and in presence of alkali you will get HCOO-Na. Similarly here, if this R is H, it means formaldehyde, students. Now this CHO convert into CH2OH. So you can write as CH2OH, or simply you can write it CH3OH. It means in disproportionation reaction there will be simultaneous oxidation and reduction. One molecule will undergo oxidation, other molecule will undergo reduction. Now we can write the reaction of this formaldehyde as I explained you here. If we take 2 molecules of formaldehyde, and in presence of concentrated NaOH, then our product you have to write like this. Now with this trick, you can easily understand how these products are forming, because one molecule of aldehyde undergoes oxidation. Upon oxidation, it will form acid, and in presence of concentrated alkali, it will convert into sodium salt. Similarly, second molecule of aldehyde, it will undergo reduction and you will get alcohol. So it means formaldehyde, we will get methyl alcohol and sodium formate. If we take two molecule of benzaldehyde, in presence of, again students, concentrated NaOH, now how you can write it? Just compare with this. This we have R, this we have H. This CHO is converting into COOH. Here also. This CHO you can convert into COOH. And since we have concentrated alkali, so you will get Na here plus. And in case of reduction, this we have R, no change. This we have H, no change. This CHO convert into CH2OH. CHO convert into CH2OH. So this CHO you can convert into CH2OH. Like this you can write. This compound is benzyl alcohol. This compound is sodium benzoate. So in your NCERT books, they have written reactions like this, and I explained you that what is happening in this reaction. We have taken two molecule of aldehyde. One molecule undergoes reduction, it forms alcohol. Second molecule undergoes oxidation, it forms carboxylic acid. And since we are taking strong alkali, so carboxylic acid will be obtained in the form of its sodium salt. I hope now you can easily write the product of Canjaro reaction. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thanks.